क्रिकेट प्रेमियों के लिए इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर है। इंग्लैंड दौरे के लिए टेस्ट टीम ने बड़ा ऐलान किया है। शुभमन गिल टेस्ट टीम के नए कप्तान होंगे, ये जानकारी निकलकर सामने आ पाई है। उधर ऋषभ पंत टेस्ट टीम के उप कप्तान बताए जा रहे हैं। टेस्ट टीम में करुण नायर की वापसी भी हुई है। ये बड़ा फेरबदल जो है देखने को मिला है। बड़ी खबर आपकी टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर।
Keep up to the standards that he's set himself over the years and how good he's been. And maybe it was time for him. It's come from him. You've got to respect that. I mean, they've earned that respect, both of them, and and as all great players are, the one thing they are is they're true to themselves, and he was in that conversation. So you've got to respect that. I think we'll obviously miss. I mean, when you've got a guy who's played 123 test matches, 30 test hundreds, it's going to be tough to fill. It's an opportunity for someone else, but he's shown what needs to be done to succeed at this level. Needless to say, even Rohit, he's been a leader over the last couple of years since he started leading the test matches. It's a new cycle, so it's an opportunity to build something for us as well. But there's no doubt. I mean, that's why I think we've got to show them the respect that they've earned instead of speculating too many things. It's sometimes a personal call with players, and you've got to respect that. And like I said, their performances over the years have shown the amount of games that they've won for India. It's someone else's chance now, but there's no doubt we'll miss them. I mean, all three of them, and Shami really. He's again in Test cricket. He's been incredible. So 4 guys like that not being part of your squad is going to make it a little bit tougher, but it's an opportunity for other guys.
Hi, what's the status of Bumrah? Is he fit for all the 5?
What's the status of Bumrah? Is he available for all the 5 games, or what's the work announcement going forward?
इस वक्त की बड़ी और सावधान करने वाली खबर है आपके लिए। कोरोना एक बार फिर से लोगों को डराने लगा है। दिल्ली, हरियाणा, गुजरात, केरल और कर्नाटक समेत कई राज्यों में कोविड-19 एक बार फिर से पैर पसारने लगा है। भारत में मौजूदा समय में 300 से ज्यादा केस सामने आ चुके हैं और इसमें दिल्ली से 23 मरीज, महाराष्ट्र में 210 मरीज और मध्य प्रदेश में 2 मरीज मिले हैं। गुजरात, केरल और तमिलनाडु में भी कोरोना के मरीज मिले हैं। कोरोना को लेकर स्वास्थ्य विभाग के निर्देश जारी कर दिए गए हैं। स्वास्थ्य विभाग पूरी तरीके से अलर्ट पर है।